Hi everyone, Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey, here to show you the 2025 Sailfish 312cc. This boat is equipped with twin 400s Mercury. They are the upgraded to the white cowlings. We turn the transom underwater lights on. You can also get a nice shot of the trim tabs there. Moving forward, Kate will give you a nice shot of the hull side, which is an ice blue. And that ice blue matches underneath to the hardtop. We'll make our way up to the port side dive door. There is the boarding ladder here with a starboard side entry. So right now, one of my favorite things about the 312 is the cockpit space. You have enough seating for family and friends, but if you are fishing or crabbing for the day, easily tuck away all the seats, rod holders across the transom pier, ski tow pylon pops up, nice wet bar area, sink, live well, cup holders, and then drawer storage underneath. I'll let Kate step into the boat and go over to the helm. So very easily laid out. Nice big twin Simrad screens, rocker switching above. We have additional switching for lighting, VHF, and storage. Cool phone charger right here. Access, lay your phone up there. Fusion stereo system, windlass controls, spotlight controls. And then with the Mercury 400s, you also get the joystick, which incorporates the auto heading and the skyhook feature. On the port side, we have entry to our head. I'll let Kate do a nice shot down below. And as she looks forward, there is a skylight right here, and then you do have another skylight on the door, so it's not so claustrophobic down below. Make our way forward, you'll notice we do have pop-up backrests here for passengers. If somebody's seated forward, they can be, or if you're fishing, you can leave this tucked down. Again, another forward-facing seat here. This is double wide with a cooler underneath. You have cup holders and little catch-alls underneath there for keys and wallets. And then also behind the pop-up backrest, another nice area to put phones, keys, wallets, chargers, additional rod holders. And then making your way up to the helm, up to the windlass. We do have a little pop-up here, gives you easier access. Windlass controls, bow shower, and additional rod holders as well. So looking back, Kate will give us a nice shot of that helm. Full glass all the way up, spreader lights, razor lights, and a spotlight above there with radar. So again, this is the 2025 Sailfish 312. My name is Frank and Teskey. See you out on the water.